Is rebuilt steering arms for Bombardier, left and right. Okay. And these are bogie legs and rear axle.
Okay.
And these are for skis to mount on.
Okay.
And 4 spare
doors.
Rear Bombardier doors. 2 Chrysler 318 top quality manifolds. And these are ski arms, legs again. This is a transmission rad. And we have 4 good used track belts. They're 4-ply. And this is an original Bombardier transmission cooler for 318. Could be adapted to any motor. And these are spare lights and the spotlight.
Okay. So this is just some of the equipment that's available right now.
There's more available.
There's more available. If you want to, are you interested? Cash certified check, pick up in the paw.
Just phone for inquiry.
So phone 623-6328. That's 204-623-6328 and ask for Gary.
That's it.
Okay. Additional parts and equipment for sale. Do you want to explain everything here?
These are new cleats.
Okay.
These are used cleats.
Yep.
These are new bolts for the ski arms.
Okay.
These are track tightener ends.
Okay.
These are backup for the cleats.
Okay.
Brand new bogie.
Okay.
A dust cap for the big sprocket.
Okay.
These are used backup cleats.
Okay.
These are new chains, bogie chains.
Okay.
These are new door hinges.
Okay.
This is a brake band off of a manual transmission. This is a new ski arm.
Okay. And these are?
This is a 5 horsepower Honda.
Okay.
With a clutch.
Okay.
And this is a 6.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton.
Okay. And we've
this
taken...
is a factory Bombardier transmission rad.
Okay.
These are new or used 4-ply belts. The set. This is the transmission rad. These are the good manifolds for 318.
Okay.
These are spare motor doors. And these brackets are for skis. These are the steering arms, is left and right.
Okay.
These are bogie arms, rear and center.
Okay.
Ring gear, clutch housing, clutch. This is a pressure plate ring gear, right? And this is a rebuilt transmission.
Okay. So if you're interested in any of this equipment, you can call 204-623-6328. Pickup only in the paw, unless otherwise indicated. Again, that's 204-623-6328. You can contact Gary McLean and go from there.
We also got another track here.
Large door for Bombardier. Looks like back right?
It's the right hand side, the large door. This is a complete track short of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cleats.
Okay. And those, you have those back in the shop.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah.
I have lots of cleats. And there's a spare Chrysler alternator, and these are new track adjusters for M7 Swamp Buggy.
Oh, okay.
Grease type.
Okay. That's it.
That's it.
2 new final drive hubs for a D7G.
Yeah, Caterpillar tractor.
Okay.
A dozer.
So there's that one, and then there's the one in the box.
And
The one's in the box right here.
Yeah.
Ski arm bolts for a Bombardier.